Did you know that an unsecured Wi-Fi network is like an open door for hackers? They can steal your data, use your internet, or even compromise your devices. In this video, I'll show you easy yet powerful steps to secure your home Wi-Fi network and keep your online world safe. Change default router settings. Default usernames and passwords are publicly known, making it easy for hackers to access your router. How to do it? Log into your router by entering its IP address, commonly 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, into your browser. Go to Admin Settings and change the default username and password to a strong, unique combination. Use at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Hide your SSID, Wi-Fi name. Hiding your network name makes it invisible to casual users scanning for Wi-Fi. How to do it? In your router settings, locate the SSID broadcast or visibility option. Turn it off to hide your network name. Even when hidden, users can connect by manually entering the SSID and password. Enable MAC filtering. MAC binding. MAC filtering ensures that only approved devices can connect to your network. How to do it? Find the MAC address of your devices in their network settings. Go to MAC filtering in your router settings and add the MAC addresses of authorized devices. This adds an extra layer of security, especially for small networks. Use WPA3 Encryption. Encryption protects your Wi-Fi traffic, and WPA3 is the most secure standard currently available. How to do it? Log into your router settings and navigate to Wireless Security or Encryption Settings. Choose WPA3 Personal as the security type. If WPA3 is not available, select WPA2PSK, AES. Avoid WEP encryption as it is outdated and easy to hack. Limit the number of connected devices. The more devices connected to your network, the easier it is for hackers to exploit vulnerabilities. How to do it? Log into your router settings and go to Device Management or Wireless Settings. Set a limit for the maximum number of connected devices. Regularly check the connected devices list and block unknown ones. Create a separate guest network. A guest network keeps your main network safe by isolating visitors or IoT devices. How to do it? In your router settings, enable guest network under wireless settings, assign a separate SSID and password for the guest network, limit bandwidth and access to sensitive devices for better control. Update router firmware regularly. Firmware updates fix security vulnerabilities and improve router performance. How to do it? In your router's settings, go to System or Firmware Update. Check for updates and follow the prompts to install the latest version. Enable auto updates if your router supports it to stay protected without manual checks. Turn off Wi-Fi when not at home. Keeping your Wi-Fi off when you are not home reduces the chance of unauthorized access. How to do it? Power off the router manually when leaving for extended periods. Alternatively, use a smart plug to automate turning your Wi-Fi on and off. This simple habit can reduce unnecessary risks and save energy. Enable router firewall. Your router's built-in firewall adds an essential layer of protection by blocking unauthorized traffic and preventing hacking attempts. How to do it? Log into your router settings and go to Security or Firewall Settings. Enable the firewall option. It might be called SPI Firewall or NAT Firewall on some routers. Pair your router's firewall with a software firewall on your devices for double protection. Disable WPS. Wi-Fi Protected Setup. WPS allows easy device connections via a pin or button, but it is vulnerable to brute force attacks. How to do it? Log into your router settings and go to the WPS or Wireless Settings tab. Disable WPS to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Always prefer manual connections with WPA to WPA3 security over WPS. Monitor network traffic regularly. Monitoring traffic helps you detect unusual activity or unauthorized devices on your network. How to do it? In your router settings, navigate to Traffic Monitor or Connected Devices to view usage. Flag unknown devices and block them immediately. Set up alerts for unusual bandwidth usage to catch potential hacks early. Disable remote access. Remote access allows you to manage your router settings from anywhere but can also expose your network to unauthorized users. How to do it? In your router settings, go to Remote Access or Remote Management. Disable the toggle for remote access unless absolutely necessary. If you must use remote access, enable it temporarily and secure it with a strong password. Securing your Wi-Fi network doesn't have to be complicated, but each of these steps can significantly reduce the risk of hackers infiltrating your home. Which tip was the most helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Stay secure and follow for more cybersecurity updates.